Hello, Professor. This is Naveen. I work for Liberty Mutual Insurance. So I worked on different projects like Cairo Secure, Canada, Asia Pac, Latin America, and there were many issues while working on the project. We have to create the objects and processes. So these objects interact with different type of applications. They can be browser-based, mainframe, or any web-based applications. So for when working with APAC, we have faced the issue where bot is not able to find a particular position on the mainframe application, which because the parent ID is not accepting. So that was a big blocker, and I jumped in. I worked on doing a different step like creating an application modeler for that object so that that interacts with an application, and I've created HTML paths for that every parent ID, so bot is able to spy and read and write on that particular position, and which then the code is completed and I've delivered the code. This was very much appreciated by the stakeholders from Asia Pac and our GRS management as well. And then the second one is the checkerbot. This is a big issue when the production bots were going down, because we don't know when the schedules are created, or when there are schedules. So if there is a schedule and if the bot is down, then the input transactions will be failed. So in for this issue, I've created a checker process using PowerShell script, where the bot checks all the statuses of the production bots. One bot checks all the status of the production bots and the status of the process as well. So I will receive an email for every 30 minutes getting the status of all these bots, and then so it will be easy for us to run the production bots on schedules. So this is also very much appreciated by the GRS management. And the final one is um, I worked on the Excel reporting process, which is a big thing for management to check the historical data. Um, so here the thing is, we'll get all the information, all the data from database. We'll pick all the database from for a quarter, and then I've created a process macro where it writes on the Excel sheet, and in each and different spreadsheet, it will create a bar diagram and a pie chart depicting the number of hours the bot worked, number of transactions it is processed, and the completion cases and the exceptional cases. So this is a good way to interpret all the historical data into a bar diagram, so that it will be easy for the management to check and see how value the RPA is adding with the bots. These are all the three processes. This is also very much appreciated by the management, high level management. And then we have created ClickView reports and the Splunk reports after creating the Excel reporting. Apart from this, there were many processes like the Canada bot, where it will take 20 to 30 minutes for completing each transaction. So we've made some tweaks in the code. And now the bot is able to process a transaction within 8 minutes, which is a good time saving thing, and the average handling time for the bot is also increased. In the Cairo circuit, so we were having some issues while writing the broker codes. So for that one, I worked on creating the broker codes on the mainframe database. After creating the broker codes, once when the mainframe screen is coming up, the all the broker codes are listed now once it is created on the database, so that it will be easy for us to complete the screen and move on to the next screen. And application or the insurance policy can be submitted on the mainframe application, and also it helped on the renewals, endorsements, and the cancellations also. These are all the things that I've done in this quarter. Yeah, and all these things are very much appreciated. That's all I have. Thank you.